Once you've located the hazards, it's time to take preventive measures to protect your workers. Start by reviewing your list of hazards with the affected employees, taking into consideration control methods that will eliminate or reduce the danger. Many resources will talk about a hierarchy of controls, starting with engineering controls, then administrative controls, and personal protective equipment. Other materials may use different terminology, but the basic principles behind the hierarchy of controls is relatively simple. A control that fully eliminates the hazard is preferred over one that does not, and controls that don't depend on individual employee behavior for their effectiveness are preferred over controls that have to be precisely applied by the employee before they will work. To illustrate this, let's examine a lathe. A lathe is a machine that holds material like wood or metal and rotates on a horizontal axis against a tool that shapes it. Now there's a danger when operating a lathe that clothing could be caught in the rotating chuck. There are several controls that could be put in place to reduce this risk. You could require workers using the lathe to wear approved clothing that isn't loose. You could also place a guard over the chuck and require workers to use it while the machine is running. Though this is a better method than the clothing requirement, both should be implemented. However, there's a major weakness: human error. In order for these controls to be effective, the workers need to remember to use them. Take the chuck guard, for example. If it's lifted and isn't brought back down when in use, it offers no protection. Let's improve this control by using an interlocking guard. This way, if the guard is lifted, the machine automatically turns itself off. By engineering your control in this way, it significantly reduces the possibility of human error, making it even more effective.